let's explore the strips tool in Ella. So what exactly are strips? They show a sequence like this haircut example here and is one of the formats that may be suggested by Ella depending on the topic or challenge you're looking for help with. To create a strip, start the same way you would with any other resource, open Ella and type your challenge or topic into the text box. For this example, we're creating a strip to help a kiddo make a bacon, lettuce, and tomato sandwich. Once we press enter, Ella will take a moment to generate a draft outline. This is where you can tweak, edit, or change anything in the sequence of your visuals. Just below that is where you can double check to ensure that the format is correct, the character is correct, and choose your preferred art style. Whenever you're all set, all you do is press Create Strip and give Ella a moment to generate the images. Once they're ready, open the set and take a look, click on the first image, and use the arrow to move through the step-by-step sequence of making the sandwich. And remember, you can always tweak and update your strip after it's been created. For example, let's say we want to add in a step of washing the lettuce. We'll click on the pencil icon at the top, select Add Topic, type in what we want, and then give Ella a moment to add a new image to the set. And once our lettuce visual appears, we're going to head back to the pencil icon, click on that, select Organize, and move that image into the right spot by simply dragging and dropping it, like this. Strips help illustrate cause and effect or the steps needed to complete a task. When kiddos can see each step laid out visually, it often makes routines easier to understand and follow, helping them feel more confident and capable as they learn to do new things on their own.